Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of the second exit or the second ramp being built out by Freetown. A few days ago we gave you a tour of the other ramp and this is the second ramp. Now Freetown, this exit is off Highway 2000 that takes you from Kingston to Mandeville. They have plans to extend that road from Mandeville to Black River and then from Black River to Mobay and then Black River to Negril. So this road will take you basically from Kingston to Montego Bay and from Kingston to Negril. And even before the new section of the road is being built, this section that's currently built is very busy. And a lot of housing developments are going up in this area that we are. And plenty more or a lot more are scheduled to start soon. So the highway company has decided to expand the number of exit ramps at this intersection. They are turning it into a diamond interchange so you can get on and off the highway from any direction. They're also building another ramp like this up in St. Catherine. The name has slipped me. Guys, if you can remember where they plan to build the other ramp or the other ramps, it's this massive housing development. That area has exploded. Innswood. That area has exploded with residential developments. So they plan to build another one there. So the highway company is spending 700 million to upgrade this ramp and also build the other one. Now, they had two ramps here before. So if you're going from Maypen or from Mandeville to Kingston, you could get on the highway. Or if you're going from Kingston to... you could get on the highway and then there was an exit if you're going from Kingston to Mobay. So if you were going from Kingston to Maypen, you didn't have an access ramp to get on the highway to continue from Freetown to Maypen. So now you can access the highway in any direction. Game changer. And it kind of makes you ask the question, why didn't they just build all these exits and entrances at the beginning? But nonetheless, they're doing it now. So we'll keep you guys updated on this development, and at the rate they're moving, they should finish, I would say probably, because it's just a ramp. The road is there already. Everything is there already. It's just to put in a ramp. So they should finish sometime within, I would say, the next 60 days. This development is commissioned into use. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this development. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.